Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back when.
I know I couldn't get the full canvas in when I was creating it. There's some of the details. Sorry about the glare. So there it is. So I have a little announcement about this piece. This is being donated to Nichols College. That's the school I went to. And a little exciting announcement. I have been invited by Nichols to do an exhibit spring semester in Daniel's auditorium, and there'll be a meet and greet and reception sometime in January or February. Don't have the exact date. So I'm very excited and honored and nervous and anxious and all that. But pretty funny, the auditorium is where I took an elective of art appreciation, which I didn't enjoy that class. Anyway, this painting, actually, I've already titled it. It's called Road Taken. To me, it looks like different paths that you could take, but they all have gold in the path. So to me, that's education at Nichols is gold and the experience. So, and Nichols is the green color. So anyway, so that's my exciting announcement. Here's the piece. Thanks so much for joining me. I will be sharing the exact reception date with all my Nichols people. So stay tuned and have a great day, everyone, and peace.